Hi guys, if you eat your breakfast or lunch at Irish house or even Starbucks, you like to eat or have a coffee, you have to pay a minimum of 500 to 1000 rupees depending on what you eat and drink. But next to that, just next to that is this Adani lounge where you have to spend only 2 rupees. 2 rupees only. So if you have, and trust me guys, if you are working, most of you already have a card which will entitle you to the lounge access like this. Okay, so please check it out if you are. Otherwise, let's work hard now, let's study hard so that once we start working, we have the cards or we had the company paid visit to the lounge. So let's work hard for that. So there's a bar as well. Today is 15th of August, so it's closed. No, that's not free. Bar ke liye to pay for the drinks. And with this view, you can eat as much as you can. So it's a buffet system here. There are boxes as well, so in case you are late, then you can just pack your food and go. So this side is all fruits and the juices, and on the other side we have all the main course. So it was the breakfast time, so they have all the breakfast stuff. You can pause the video and check out in case you want to check out what was there. And my favorite part, the coffee time. Coffee ले लो यार, 250-300 की तो coffee है. So Mumbai airport, Delhi airport, Nagpur airport, whenever I go this side, I never miss a chance. So now I'll take my seat. I think I'm going to sit here and enjoy my drink. So guys, let's work hard so that we can enjoy lounge access by the company given cards. And from our pocket, work hard now and spend only 2 rupees for the lounge.